This is a smart toaster, which has a 4.4-inch touchscreen that lets you choose from 6 browning levels and toast any type of bread with ease. Designed in sleek stainless steel, it not only looks sharp but also promises durability and easy cleaning with its non-stick slots and removable crumb tray. This is an automatic pan stirrer that revolutionizes cooking by saving you time and effort. Just place it in your pan, press a button, and watch it stir your soups, sauces, or gravies with its self-rotating design. It offers 3 speed options and is safe to use in non-stick cookware thanks to its removable heat-resistant nylon legs. The Garjack makes crushing garlic a breeze with its easy-to-use design. You can toss in unpeeled cloves, press, and get freshly minced garlic without any mess. Plus, it ejects the peels with the push of a button, keeping your hands clean and free from garlic odor. Do you struggle with things slipping off your bed or noisy nights? This bed wedge pillow has got you covered. It fits neatly between your mattress and headboard, keeping everything in place while adding extra comfort with its high-density memory foam. Plus, those handy side pockets, perfect for keeping your essentials close at hand. Need to give your jewelry and other valuables a deep clean? This ultrasonic cleaner is like magic for removing dirt and restoring shine. It uses high-frequency sound waves to create tiny bubbles that gently scrub away grime from every nook and cranny. No harsh chemicals needed. Just fill with water, choose your cleaning time, and let it work its magic. Looking for a compact and efficient way to keep your bike tires inflated on the go? This mini bike tire pump is your go-to solution. It fits in your pocket or even attaches easily to your backpack. With powerful inflation capabilities of up to 120 psi, it's designed for all types of bike tires. Plus, you can check the air pressure with the LED screen as well. This is an electric can opener that automatically rotates around the lid and opens the cans for you without any sharp edges. It runs on 4 AA batteries that you can change whenever they run out of charge. It's extra handy for the people who struggle with gripping things as well. Keep your soda bubbly and ready to pour with the pump and pour. It's designed to maintain carbonation in any soda bottle, featuring a handy flip-release pour top for effortless serving. This smart cooker has a huge 6-quart pot that can handle even the biggest meals. Plus, the pot is removable and stovetop safe, so you can brown your ingredients for extra flavor before slow cooking. Another bonus, the non-stick coating is made from safe materials so you can clean it easily. It even has a built-in timer and multiple heat settings, so you can set it and forget it. This vacuum squeegee makes window cleaning a breeze with its rechargeable battery lasting 25 minutes per charge. Just spray, wipe with the included microfiber pad, and vacuum away dirt and grime without leaving streaks or drips. It's perfect for windows, mirrors, and showers, cleaning 3 times faster than traditional methods. Worried about kids exploring cabinets and drawers? These adhesive magnetic cabinet locks provide a discreet and effective solution. With 12 locks and 2 keys included, they're easy to install inside your cabinets, keeping them invisible from outside view. To open the doors, you just double swip the magnetic key and the lock opens up. Ever found yourself battling muddy paw prints all over your floors? The portable dog paw cleaner is here to save the day. Just add water, twist, and voila, clean paws without the mess. Its silicone bristles gently remove dirt, leaving your home spotless after walks or park visits. If you ever wanted to cook pasta quickly without the mess, the microwave pasta cooker is for you. Just add water, follow the package directions, and enjoy perfect al dente pasta in 10 minutes or less. With its built-in strainer, you can easily drain water without the hassle of heavy pots. It can even steam veggies for you. Struggling with neck or back pain? Get this bed massage pillow that you can stick under your mattress. Now, you can enjoy your partner's massages just like you would at the spa. Meet the Yes S Vic electric fly swatter, a must-have for anyone tired of buzzing mosquitoes. Just turn it on and let it sit on its base. The bug light lures pests in and zaps them away. With a powerful 4000 V-Zap, it takes care of fruit flies, gnats, and moths in no time. Plus, it's rechargeable with a long-lasting battery, so you're always ready for action. No more swatting, just zap and relax. Meet the Kickboard Luggage Scooter Suitcase, a stylish and fun travel companion. It comes with a storage space of 33 liters, so you can roll through airports while carrying all your essentials. Plus, it just looks really cool. Ever stuck at the wrong end of the table when your food is on the other side? Check out this Lazy Susan turntable, which you can expand to fit any table size. It's really easy to assemble, and you can add the heat-resistant trays as much as you need. Plus, it looks really cool as well. You can have a celebrity wardrobe with this rotating shoe rack, which has a 360 degrees design. With 7 tiers, it can hold up to 35 pairs of shoes or even bags. It's not just for shoes either. Store your bags, jewelry, or books. Plus, it's easy to assemble with the included instructions, unlike something from IKEA. Whether you are playing Uno or it's poker night, this card shuffler will save you a lot of time while making you look cool. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it quickly shuffles 2 decks in just seconds. Its motor makes less noise, while its gentle shuffling action keeps your cards in great condition. These reusable straws are so convenient. They actually open up for easy cleaning inside. They even come with a handy travel case that you can attach to your keychain, so you'll always have one ready to go wherever you are. Looking to upgrade your doorbell without the hassle of wiring? This wireless doorbell is your answer. With an easy plug-and-play setup, it's ready to use in under a minute. Just plug the receiver in and you're set. It features a long-range signal that reaches up to 1,000 feet, strong weather resistance, and a variety of melodies to choose from. Instead of relying on your phone's stopwatch, try this handy cube timer for your home. It offers 4 different time settings to help you keep track of cooking tasks. Simply choose the timer you need by placing the corresponding number on top, and it will beep when time is up. Meet the Tosima Window Cleaner Robot. It's like having a cleaning pro at your service. With smart sensors and powerful suction, it zips around, leaving your windows spotless without the hassle. This is a phone charger and sanitizer that makes cleaning your phone effortless. Just close the lid, press the button, and it disinfects in 10 minutes, killing 99% of germs. The magnetic cover keeps it sealed, while the rubber stopper reduces noise. Plus, it charges your phone wirelessly at the same time, so your phone stays clean and powered up. This is a planter that actually has a safe underneath. Made from durable steel and ABS, it's fireproof, waterproof, and even equipped with a silicone seal for extra protection in various conditions. Whether indoors or outdoors, it blends in seamlessly while providing peace of mind for your precious items. Here's a handy fabric shaver that keeps your favorite clothes and fabrics looking sharp and lint-free. It's perfect for sweaters, blankets, and even upholstery, but steer clear of using it on pet hair. With durable blades and adjustable settings, it's gentle yet effective on different fabrics. Plus, it's powered by AA batteries, making it easy to use anywhere without cords.